talking, I don't sweat that. If they don't trust me either, I respect that. If she need down the ride, oh, I bet that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Ooh, I slide for my people, don't forget that.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is JH. How you doing, Postal family? Is everybody good? Is everybody cool? Are you clean, crisp? Are you feeling irie today? Let's talk. Where have I been? I had to go slide to see my dad. He's doing a lot better. Thanks for asking. I know y'all ain't asked, but I know you was wondering where I've been, so I'm telling you. Jay's doing a little bit better. My mood's a little bit better. Knowing Dad gonna keep on kicking, because that's what we prayed for. Thank you. Number 2, today's my son's 30th birthday. You heard me right. 30th birthday. That makes me an old man, family. Y'all don't want to hear about that. You want to hear about the foolishness going on at the post office. So let's talk. First off, what's been happening since I've been gone? Mail carrier accused of selling postal box keys and stealing checks. What's new, Jay? Man, this is foolishness. I tell you, foolishness. I ain't got my glasses, so I'm gonna try to do my best to read. Let's hit home, cause person around the corner. What kind of idiocracy is this? A U.S. Postal Service mail carrier is facing federal charges. Stop stealing, y'all. Y'all play too much. Of selling arrow keys assigned to mailboxes in Boca Raton, Delray Beach, and Boynton Beach, and stolen checks worth nearly $550,000. This dude is an idiot. Hudson Adrian, 41, of Margate, was arrested Monday. He is accused of theft of mail by an employee and stealing keys. Adrian appeared before U.S. District Judge in Fort Lauderdale. The keys are used by postal employees to open mailboxes for incoming and outgoing mail from collection boxes, outdoor parcels, cluster box units, and apartment mailbox panels. In June, federal agents received a tip about Adrian wanting to sell a key for $10,000. See, greed. On August 2nd, an undercover agent met with Adrian at a Walmart in Pompano, where he sold a key and an envelope with a stolen check in it, according to the criminal complaint. The key had been reported as being missing by the Delray Beach post office. He also said he had a duffel bag full of checks at his residence. Yo, true idiot, trust me. Man, a idiot. Then on Thursday, he sold an undercover agent another arrow key and 21 stolen checks with a total value of $549,407 in exchange for $45,000, according to the criminal complaint. After the exchange, Adrian was detained by Broward Sheriff's Office. During an interview, he admitted to stealing mail matter, selling arrow keys, and selling stolen checks, according to the document. He also said he has several $100,000 worth of additional checks at his residence. Like, you got caught and then you admit to more stuff? Oh yeah, you was a horrible crook. Horrible. Now, condone nobody stealing. But you just an idiot, my guy. My guy, you gonna be locked up for a minute. Okay, for a minute. That's the truth. True story. Trust me. Now, what did we learn, people? What did we learn? We learned not to steal. Okay. Now, here's the thing. I heard, from Mr. P, he's like, yeah, man, this idiot was taking this stuff and then he go and admit to somebody else and they send an undercover. And Mr. P told me the whole story as it played out. I was like, what? Why? Yeah, he ain't gonna see light for a minute. Now, somebody else sent me a article that said that there's about 10,000 electronic mailbox clusters, or whatever they call them, now being distributed nationwide, these electronic lockers, which is a lifesaver, because the moral of it isn't that this guy sold it, but if you contribute to the delinquency of a crime, come on, dude, what is you thinking? Our carriers are getting shot and killed for some keys, and you want to go and just say, hey, you know what? Let me just be on the other end of it. No, you idiot. You just telling more people and advertising what these keys are worth. But thankfully, the Postal Service is finally doing something good. And hopefully they get more of these electronic boxes nationwide. That way, if the crooks figure out a way to get in the boxes, it does not affect our postal family. You see me? Man, this is foolishness. But nonetheless, I hope this was entertainment to some people. One of those shaking my head moments for some others. But in all, this is what's going on, and I'm just reporting, you know what I mean? But we got some more good stuff coming. This is JH, and Dad's doing all right. You see me? We out.
Unexpected expenses stressing you out? Get the money you need now with Loans for Feds, a program designed specifically for federal employees. Bad credit is not a problem. Application is fast and easy with same-day approvals. Apply now.